going for me. You know, getting there, getting the job done. It was good.
You did get the job done. Just talk me through it.
My first 6-rounder, it was good, tough, Hans Alexander, 150 fights, you know, I've been stopped 6 times, just what I needed. For me, I've done 4 rounds of sparring, Matty Rennie back last night, the brilliant Sky, Channel 5. Yeah, so that's all I did, but I didn't want to make excuses up. Yeah, it's been fun this one, yeah, just that's what I mean. I was quite now. I wanted to do the job, and that's what it was. But I feel like I'm doing a lot better. You know, if I was doing 40 rounds of sparring instead of 40, which would be very difficult.
At this point in your career, in the eyes of the world, you should always be doing a bit of things to and yeah, you're not going to be all around the nothing. Which speaks volumes, I think. And he comes in things a lot. Went out there and did the job last night, so he's obviously taking things from that. From those sparring, was there anything that you were able to use tonight?
Just mainly stay switched on and stay focused. Like I don't underestimate any of these journeymen. I go in my best trying to stay switched on and trying to think, you know, like I'm going in fighting the likes of Matty and whoever else, you know what I mean?
Stopped 6 times. How does that play into your game plan? Do you find it difficult to take that information to know your body?
Yeah, I mean, you know, I suppose after, like I say, I always say something like that. What do you think? It was more like he said to me, it's like your power's there, he's come for your shots more. And it was that. And for me, I was trying to save energy, which is what I could. Will Goldie.
So, yeah. Should have been on the card tonight. Will, come and say hello.
Will, come in.
Say hello.
My best pal.
You have to share this one. So yeah, Will should be on the card tonight. Yeah. But unfortunately, due to
shitbags.
pulling out.
Yeah, this is a food holiday. Yeah. Said he was ill. And he's trained. He's done 40 rounds. Been going down to the gym.
John McNally's been sparring there, yeah, he's a good guy. Yeah, loads of sparring down there, but I mean, Josh Kelly didn't have an opponent in the 16. A week before they said we're doing, didn't come off. So we'll see what happens. You know, I might be fighting next Saturday in Bolton. So.
Well, we'll be there at Bolton, obviously. It's the final card of the year, so it's our Christmas crap next week, so hopefully we do find out we'll get you on there.
Hopefully, yeah.
But it's really nice to see you come down and to support the
He done well, didn't he?
Tonight. Yes.
It looks better with his stitches than it looks like an ankle.
And it was a big breakaway, I can vouch for that. I was in the very room when he was having his stitches, there were no tears.
There you go.
Well, I'll leave you to it, I'll leave you to it.
It's Willie Wombat. He's got a baby with my cousin. That'll be my best pal. Yeah, you
yeah, somebody's making a dancing behind us.
Yeah.
You couldn't see that on the camera, so we'll have to explain that was the reason. But yeah, so there is things that we can take away from this, but I do want to just kind of allude to the clash of heads right at the end of the 6th round. And it was just such a shame. For a second I thought the doctor was going to step in.
He was. I was saying to him, like, no, my videos, like, Jack was saying, oh, I feel lose my trainer. The corner's like, no, it's 20 seconds left. Indeed, can you imagine?
You got the job. You got into 2020 as a final. And not only that, we get to see you again as our resident DJ at some of our VIP shows. Oh, well, there you go. Still tickets to that one, guys.
Yeah.
So get yourself down if you want a bit of boxing on the music. Because Jackson and Jackhammer Hulme, congratulations, guys.
Oh, thank you. You appreciate it. Cheers.
For all boxing info, news and latest interviews, amateur and pro, across the north, click and subscribe. VIP Boxing Promotions. Also Twitter, Instagram and Facebook.